it's your girl Jay, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time or stopping by, you are most and definitely welcome. If you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button so that you can join this beautiful family. Also, I would indulge you to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any of the juicy content I'm going to be dropping on this. I'm just going to be making this video all about my brows, and then I'll do the rest of my makeup off camera, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys my finished look. Yeah, all of the products I'm going to be using for the brow tutorial, I'm going to leave them in the description box so that you guys can check them out and see if it's something that you like to use. Anyways, let us get right into this video. So in today's video, I'm just going to be using all of these things that are here. So I'm going to be using my Eyebrow concealer as usual. I mean, if you know me, you know that these concealers are like what I've been using. Like, so one thing I like about this Eyebrow high pencil is that it has something like a brush, see, that you can use to like shape in or pull up all those hair. So I'm just going to be brushing all those hair up first. Alright guys, so I'm just going to be I'll be following my natural, is it natural? Because I carved it sharp, I trimmed it, so I'm just going to follow like the line where the hair ends. So I'm going to be using the Eyebrow Pro Concealer. I don't know, can you guys see? Can you see? Okay, in Chestnuts. I'm going to be in Chestnuts. Why is it not focusing now? I need you guys to see it. Oh, I'm going to be using Chestnut and in Toast. What I do is I go from like the outer border. I don't put it like directly. I go like this and like use it to shape in exactly where the brows are. See, I'm just going to like take this flat brush. Where did I get this brush safe? I can't remember. I think it's a Bobbi Brown brush. I can't remember where I got this brush from, but then it's like my run-to brush when it comes to that. So that this concealer doesn't dry up, I'm just going to like clean it up, and then I go in slightly so that to avoid mistakes, especially for beginners. I think I should do a step-by-step tutorial for brow. I'm going to take my concealer in Toast, and I'm just going to do the same thing for the top of my brows. Last step is to go in with my Barrett's brow gel. This is what it looks like. Barrett's brow. It has like a big applicator. I don't know, I would have preferred if it came in like a small applicator. So I'm just going to like do I'm going to do this ugly part and make it this fine, and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. I'll be right back. Hey guys, so welcome back. So this is my finished look. See? Okay, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you loved anything about this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and whatever it is that you want me to make a content on or teach about, if you just let me know in the comment section, I'll be more than glad, you know, to come up here and do some beautiful tutorials. Anyways, thank you all for watching once again. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.